In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Assistant on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. First, open the App Store on your phone. Go to the search bar right here at the bottom right and type Google Assistant. I already have the app, but you will see the option to download it right there where you see open, so just simply select it. Once the app has been downloaded, go ahead and open it, and then go ahead and log in with your Gmail account. Hit continue, and then you're going to select allow so Google Assistant can send you notifications. If you don't want to receive any notifications from the Google Assistant app, simply turn this option off and select next. Go ahead and tap on the microphone that you see at the bottom and select allow. Now you can easily chat with Google Assistant and get the help you need from this amazing app. If you maybe want to use Google Assistant as your new Siri, I'm going to show you how to do that. So open Shortcuts on your phone and create a new one with your Google Assistant. Go ahead and add a new shortcut by tapping on the plus icon and searching for Ask Google. Then go ahead and save the shortcut that we just created and then go back to your settings. Under settings, go ahead and select accessibility, scroll down and select vocal shortcuts and tap on setup vocal shortcuts. Tap on continue, and here you're going to see the shortcut that we just created for Ask Google. Now you need to create a custom phrase that you're going to say every time you're going to use Google Assistant. In my case, I'm just simply going to use Hey Google. Hey Google, Hey Google, Hey Google. As you can see, you need to teach your iPhone to recognize your voice for the phrase that you created. So you just need to say it 3 times, whatever the phrase that you pick, and then hit continue. Now, as you can see, if I say Hey Google, my shortcut will automatically open. Hey Google, and that's it. I hope this video helped you.